Walmart has just delivered and delivered. If you look at this quarter, I mean, they had these great store-for-store sales. They had great driving it to the bottom line. They had 43% growth online. What more can people ask out of this company?
Yeah, Paul, you seemingly would agree with that. You've just raised the price target to 118, and as Jan points out, the same-store sales were very good. The revenues may have been a little light, but at $125 billion, a few million is kind of a rounding error.
Absolutely agree. We really believe that Walmart's executing quarter by quarter, still with a long-term focus on the, competing with Amazon, delivering goods to the customer on a same-day basis. So they're making meaningful investments that do impact overall earnings growth, but this is one of our top picks.
Paul, what are they doing right? Is it their online sales growth? Is it groceries, grocery delivery? Is it store refreshes? Is it a little bit of everything?
Yeah, we think it's all of the above. The company has really taken the time to invest in the stores. They've improved customer service. They've absolutely improved their in-stock inventory position. Obviously, online growth is very strong, up 43% this year. They forecast 35% growth for next year. They have a strong global strategy as well. And so we really do think that they're checking all of the boxes.
Jan, there have been a couple of odd reports about the consumer to end out the year. So last week, the theme was, the NRF report is only up 3%, and we had that terrible retail sales report. Separately, there was talk about how consumers weren't using as much credit card borrowing as they typically do for this holiday season. Is it the shutdown? Is it other things? Is it the polar vortex? Does Walmart today tell you that in some ways this is a more reliable read on what's happening in the U.S. than all of those reports?
Yeah, all of that other stuff is nonsense. MasterCard told us it was up 5%. MasterCard's never been wrong in their lives. Walmart just turned in 4.2%. Target, as you recall, gave us great numbers. The consumer is fine. The consumer is strong. We're not seeing any problems with the consumer. If those numbers from the government are good, they're a blip.
If they're bad, then they're also a blip. So if
either way,
retail sales report was down big, but you're saying it's not just the fact that Walmart is seeing online sales growth, because some could argue, no, this is a Walmart-specific story, but you're saying it tells us about strength across the board.
Yes, Walmart is strong and Target's strong and Amazon's strong. That's the retailer. I mean, that's the consumer. If the consumer's strong in the states are strong, right? We're seeing strong performance in the economy because the consumer is really strong and everybody's working and wages are rising and they're going to $15 an hour and gas prices are low. And what else do you need to know? The government's just wrong on whatever they told us happened in January and December.